guys, I hope you're all doing good. Today I have planned to experiment the massive leafy background. I have tried the bouquet background before. Today I have planned to have a leafy background, like a background is full of leaves. So the flower what I have chosen is tulip, and the tulip's leaves are so sharp and long, and it's wide also. It's so different from the ordinary leaves. I'm using all these yellow to show the light area, and my few flowers are in orange, red, and even in yellow. And other than these flowers, the entire the background is, you know filled with the leaves. The leaves in, the background or blur, not that much visible to our eyes, but you know the leaves in foreground, especially the few leaves I'm going to highlight. The remaining I'm just going to leave it in the middle ground. So let's see how this is going to come out. I'll just try. I always need to try things, and I won't give up. If this won't work out, I'm going to try again in a different way. So let's see. So you can see now, I have only one flower, the tulip flower, in focus. But today our diagram is not about the flower, it's about the background. So my background is, colorful, and the light is falling from the ends, and you can see the leaves are in black colors, not much defined. If you like all my work, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. And I love to hear from you. You can mention my work in the comment section. Now from here I'll start these leaves. When we look at the massive leafy background, we feel how to do and how to complete it is too much of work. We feel that, but once you plan in your mind, see what are the colors you have to take, and the areas, actually these are in different pattern. They are not in one direction, they are not in in one shape. These leaves are big and small, or these are in different shapes and in different directions. So it's very important that we have to focus on that. And I have used the different greens here. This is my one more small flower which is not much defined. It's like hidden among these leaves. So I have used gray green, dark green, light green, the yellow and olive green, and black even, to give the depth and darkness inside among these leaves. So just I'm making some different patterns here, keeping the leaf shape of the leaf in mind, just randomly giving shapes of it. So I'm just doing this as an experiment. Let me see how I'm going to finish this entire the drawing. I love to use this oil pastel. I don't know why, because I don't know, but I love this. I feel so it's so easy to handle. Only thing, the defining the small areas, we have to we have to use big diagrams. Now I'm just trying using some white color to show little lighted areas, and even to make the little difference, and the light thin coat on the leaf, so that even this leaf will pop up from this background and gives little shape to it. So how is this experiment, viewers? You can mention in the comment section. You can also try this out. I'm using the scraper to make some small thin lines, that veins on the petals. And even on the leaves, so we have a parallel veins on these leaves. Just this is, the background is now full of leaves, full of green in color. So this is how this green background looks like. So I feel this you know feel is good, and this experience is new, and I have learned something new today. Now I have a complete idea what I have to do for good background with the more leaves, in what are the different ways I can work. I'll try it in another way. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. I'll meet you on another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.